Water supply has been restored to 811 locations or 62.7% of the 1,292 areas affected by the unscheduled water disruption in 7 regions in the Klang Valley as of 6:30 p.m. on Sunday. Selangor Sdn Bhd Corporate Communications Head Elina Baseri in a statement said the remaining 481 areas were still in the process of being restored. Kuala Selangor recorded the highest water supply resumption at 99%, followed by Hulu Selangor at 94%, Gombak and Petaling both at 66%, Kuala Langat at 50%, Kuala Lumpur at 41%, while Klang and Shah Alam areas at 24%. The company also denied a message that had gone viral on social media that rationing exercise will be carried out and that the water is not safe for consumption.